Welcome to this healing meditation. Whether you're healing from emotional trauma, loss, grief, or any pain, know that this is a safe space for you. A space where you can allow yourself to feel, to heal, and to find peace. Now take a few moments to find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few rounds of deep breath. Breathe in through your nose, hold, and slowly exhale through your mouth. A few more round breaths like this. Follow your own rhythm. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, knowing that you're exactly where you need to be. Now bring your focus to the area around your heart. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing in the center of your chest. This light represents your inner healing energy, the source of love and compassion that resides deeply within you. With each breath, see this light growing brighter, bigger, and expanding with every inhale. As it expands, it begins to envelope your entire chest, spreading warmth and comfort throughout your body. Feel the gentle touch of this light on you. It knows where exactly to go. It flows to the places within you that you need the most healing. If you're carrying any pain, grief, or emotional wounds, feel which body parts hold those emotions. And imagine placing the light onto those spots, seeing those wounds being gently held in this compassionate energy, surrounded by warmth, understanding, and love. Allow the light to help you heal. Now take some moments to repeat this process. Allow the healing light to repair those wounds wherever your body holds on to them. Now, as you breathe, begin to bring your attention to the heart again and silently repeat those affirmations to yourself. I am worthy of healing and peace. I release what no longer serves me and open my heart to love and compassion. I am surrounded by love and I am healing more each day. Feel those words are truth and resonating within you, knowing that healing is not a destination but a journey. It's okay to take your time and to move at your own pace. Each step you take is a step toward wholeness. Now visualize yourself in a place where you feel completely safe and at peace. It might be a beautiful beach, a quiet forest, or perhaps at the comfort of your own home. Imagine the healing light within you expanding outward, merging with the peaceful energy of this place. Right here, you are free from all burdens. The air around you is filled with love. As you breathe in, you feel renewed, refreshed, and at peace. Seeing yourself standing tall, your heart is open and your spirit is light. Knowing that in this place, you are whole, you are healed, and you are free. Now take a few more deep breaths. Breathe in from your nose, hold, and slowly exhale from your mouth. A few more deep breaths like this. Follow your own rhythm. Each breath in, know that this healing energy is always within you, always available to you whenever you need it. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Feel your body supported by the ground or seat. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a final moment to thank yourself for this time of healing. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Be gentle with yourself. Thank you, and follow me for more content like this. Sending you a lot of strength and love for your healing journey. Until next time.